Fix and flip loans are one of the fastest ways for new investors to break into real estate. But if you're brand new, the terms, the process, and the lender expectations can feel overwhelming. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how fix and flip loans work, what lenders look for, and how to secure funding, step by step, without surprises. Let's start with the basics. A fix and flip loan is a short-term loan used to purchase and renovate a distressed property, with the goal of selling it for a profit. It's asset-based, meaning lenders care more about the deal than your tax returns. But here's the twist. Lenders are not funding dreams, they're funding execution. If you can present a clear, credible plan, you'll get approved even if you're a beginner. Here's a real example. A new investor brought a flip deal with great ARV potential. But his budget wasn't itemized, he had no contractor bids, and his numbers were based on hope. The lender declined instantly. A second investor brought a similar deal, but with comps, repair bids, a timeline, and a clean experience sheet. Same credit, same market, totally different results. Lenders follow the confidence curve. Let's look at what the data shows. According to a 2024 CoreLogic report, flips with structured financing and verified budgets outperform cash-only amateur flips by over 29%. Another study by ATTOM found that investors using proper leverage produced faster project completion and higher average ROI. Structured planning beats guessing every time. So here's how fix and flip loans work. Requirement 1. Credit. Most lenders want a 620 to 660 plus score. You don't need perfect credit, just stable. Requirement 2. Down payment. Expect 10 to 20% of purchase plus liquidity for part of the rehab. Lenders want you to have skin in the game. Requirement 3. Rehab budget. You need a detailed scope of work with itemized costs. Lenders fund real numbers, not rough estimates. Requirement 4. ARV, after repair value. Lenders base the loan on ARV, not the purchase price. They'll appraise the future value and lend up to 65 to 75% of it. Requirement 5. Experience. Not required, but powerful. If you're new, lenders may ask for stronger reserves or a GC on the project. Now let's walk through the steps to securing your first fix and flip loan. Step 1. Get pre-qualified. Know your loan limits before finding deals. Step 2. Analyze the property. Run comps. Estimate ARV. Don't overpredict. Step 3. Get contractor bids. 2 bids. Written. Itemized. No, handshake rehab numbers. Step 4. Submit your loan file. Include ID, bank statements, budget, comps, contract, and experience. Step 5. Appraisal plus feasibility review. The lender will review the ARV and confirm your rehab budget looks logical. Step 6. Close the loan. You close fast, usually within 7 to 14 days. Step 7. Draw process begins. Lenders release rehab funds in stages as work is completed. Stay on schedule. Here's the payoff. Fix and flip loans aren't complicated, they're structured. If your numbers are real, your plan is solid, and your communication is clean, lenders are excited to fund you, even as a beginner. Educational content only. Not financial advice.